Hey David, we are in a beautiful room. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Sure. We are in a Excellence Club 2-story rooftop terrace.
Oh my.
So the stairs on the right side will take you to the terrace and the plunge pool we have up there.
I have to see that.
In this area, setup is pretty much the same in all of the rooms. We have this blue sofa in all of the rooms. Excellence Club is just a sofa, and the other buildings, since they're family friendly, will be a sofa bed.
Okay, perfect.
All of the bottles are included. If you finish one, next morning you'll have another one.
And this is an espresso
machine.
machine. And is there a mini fridge?
There's a mini fridge, that's right. Well, on this side there is the mini fridge.
Oh, the selection is vast. So there's Coca-Cola, Coke Light, Fanta, Sprite, Crystal, and beer, and a selection of goodies, M&Ms, and water.
Inclusive. If you finish something, you can ask for the same day it'll be refilled. Or even if you don't want, you know what, I don't want sodas, I just want beer. They will just put beer in it. Or I don't want beer, I just want sodas. All of our rooms, they have a jacuzzi. All of them. No matter which building you're staying at, no matter the room category, all of the rooms they have a jacuzzi.
And this is private. There's no one that could actually see you in the jacuzzi, right?
Not really. I mean, you have access to the outside from the
But other
jacuzzi,
rooms.
But in the other rooms they cannot really see you.
Perfect. And king size bed. And when the guests arrive, they have a selection of fruit and champagne and a welcome letter, which is always lovely. Full length mirror. Plugins. And I'm assuming that this would be USB ports here.
That is right. We have USB ports on the other side as well.
Okay.
And there is a pillow menu.
So you can choose.
Or if you need a specific kind of pillow, you can just call your
Excellent.
concierge and they will deliver it in 10 minutes or less.
Wonderful. So shall we go upstairs?
Sure.
Oh, this is lovely.
Ocean view,
Very nice.
plunge pool.
We have a rooftop for shade and a plunge pool. Very nice. Beautiful. And the closets have an umbrella, safe, 2 house coats, shelving,
A beach bag as well.
and a beach bag. And
On the other side, if you request for room service, once you're done, put them
oh, it's
right
a
here.
secret door.
Exactly. You put your plates over here, it's locked. Room service, they have a key to unlock it and take the plates away.
Can they deliver here as well
They
through
can deliver
this?
here as well.
So you don't have to be disrupted. And this is the bathroom with dual vanities.
Bathroom comes with Bulgaria amenities.
Now that is a treat. Bulgaria is one of the finer lotions in the world. Bulgari soap. Very nice.
Rain shower.
Oh, and that is a massive rain shower. This is lovely. What's this wall? Feels like slate or stone.
It is a stone.
It's very nice. And the toilet is here. Beautiful. If I was checking in and this was my room, I would be so happy. So Cabernet Sauvignon, Jack Daniels, Appleton, Sky Vodka, and tequila. Very nice.